It is quite hefty. Once I saw this, I knew Sharon would want it. Woo. How this one's gonna go? Maybe. We can cut some off if we have to. He's like, no. He likes the challenge. Yeah, I'm gonna say we should try the long way. Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, it was supposed to just be a rainy day, two retired guys trying to get something accomplished. However, it turned into a little bit more than that. As you can see, we're loading up cedar logs for Sharon. So since it's a rainy day, why don't you join us for a day, for an afternoon, and we're gonna see how this project is gonna go. Wow, what a crummy day. Back to rain again for a few more days. About the time we dry out, we get rain again. But hey, at least it ain't snowing anymore. Oh yeah, candle box. Picking up a bunch of cedar trees that he's got ready for Sharon. But one of them is big, I mean a huge one. And I saw him trying to move it a couple weeks ago when I was over there. I don't think he's gonna be able to lift that. So we caught a downpour here at Phil's, and I told him, I said, he called me on the phone even though he's sitting right over there. I'm like, I'm not coming out, it's raining. But now it quit. We had a downpour. All right, we're gonna try and move this beast right here. Riddick's got to get up in the tractor. Ain't nothing small about this one. It is quite hefty. Once I saw this, I knew Sharon would want it, would have to have it. Woo. All right, so I backed up the truck and trailer to make some room for him. And yes, we both know we should have a counterweight on it. So you don't need to bring that part up. Alright, I'm going to pull up now. We got straps ready to be underneath. It's a stack of logs I'm bringing home. 5 or 6 or 7. So we got it all set up. We're going to lay them in here. And that way I can offload them with these straps under them. Alright, we're going to kind of feel out the weight of this thing so as to not have to lift it in case we get a little tippy. Then I'll back under it.
It's not, I mean, that'd be good. Yeah, you're completely on.
How this one's gonna go.
Yeah, once we were 3 foot over, I wasn't nervous anymore.
Yeah. Uh-huh. I might need you to push that back end over that way.
You want it more that way?
Yeah, the back end of it.
How far is your branch hanging over?
It's only a few inches.
Okay.
Either that or you could push it front this way, either one. All right, so we're scheming here because we got 5 more logs to put on, so I think we're gonna try to stand up this branch. I don't know what she's gonna do with it. If this is like an outside decoration, she may want that on there. So we're gonna try to stand that up and just see what happens. No, maybe not.
Fine balance point.
Let go of it and see what happens.
Kind of trying to.
Because it's sitting, I think, where it's at. All right, yeah, you're good. Probably now push this front end. All right, now we're gonna try and push this front end over. We'll see how it's gonna hold up on the fender. This is by far the biggest one. The other ones are all just already stripped and it'll be a ton easier. All right, that's good right there. All right, we're gonna stand it up and then I'm gonna try to strap it down. All right, got a couple tires in there. See how this is gonna go. All right, that's about perfect. I'm only over a few inches. We'll measure the top, make sure we're not over height. And we're gonna strap this one down separately. All right, we got 2 straps on this log alone right now, temporarily. We're gonna go to another spot in the woods and collect the other logs. See how that's gonna go. So this one slipped a little bit on the ride, so we'll probably pull it back up after we get a couple on there to kind of wedge it in. I might have to cut some of these shorter. We might need to cut that off. Oh, this is the bob and weave right here.
Hey Joe, can you grab this cinder block?
I told Phil, I'm like, we can cut some off if we have to. He's like, no. He likes a challenge. I think he's gonna try the other direction. Or maybe recenter his grip. Yeah, I'm gonna say we should try the long way, which is what he's doing first, or this second try. This ought to be interesting. All right, he shimmied his grip over a little bit more. We'll see if it's just what we need in here or not. All right, I have confirmed that this is the longest one. So this should only happen once, but we're talking about options, and he's gonna take one more try, and if that don't work, I told him to just get one end out here, drop that, and then maneuver it with the tractor. Yeah, maybe. Oh, he's gonna go over the top up there. Let me back up out of this way. I don't think he's gonna make it. Setting on the gate over there on that right side. I guess it's a combination of both ideas. There we go. Phil was disappointed that he didn't get it.
Little more back.
I can't see the back. How does it look?
Probably got another foot before it's off the back.
Yeah, then go to your right a little bit more. And the next ones, I'm gonna have them flip them around. So the heavy end is up here.
It's on.
It's on.
Not as gracefully as I had hoped.
All right, so now we're gonna alternate them back and forth, try and get a pretty decent weight distribution. Much better. Much better. All right, that one went right through the gate perfectly also.
About a foot from the tail.
All right, that's good.
Yeah,
Yeah, just let it roll in there. All right, we're gonna try and readjust. Oh, we need it a little higher. Dang it. All right, now we're wedged on the logs. So we're gonna try and push the whole pile and see how it reacts. All right, now do the back end. Oh, now she's wedged in good. Oh, another dandy. Whew. It's right where we want it. All right, and this last one, we're gonna try and get it wedged up next to Big Bertha here. See if you can give it a push. All right, that should work. All right, we're on ratchet number 42 and a half.
Yeah, now it ties a bunch of knots.
And we think we got it now. So we have it bundled with several bundle ratchets and several tie-down ratchets. Broke out the real big heavy-duty ones that I haven't used very often, these big, whatever they are, 5,000 pounders. The rest of these are 3,000 and 4,000 pounders. So we, I think, are ready to roll, man.
You call me and say it fell off the trailer, it's going to be...
You're not even going to answer the phone. Yeah, who this? Who's this?